It's a hand crank sewing machine. A Singer company, labeled Singer. However, this is a Reproduction machine made in an Asian country in the early 70s, according to my research. And it's a hand crank machine. It's in very good condition. It does come with a user's manual, which is all pictures. Does make it simple to follow along. We'll take a closer look at this machine. The decals are in very good shape. Again, it's marked 15 here. The stitch length is adjustable. The chrome really shines well. The machine itself is in good condition. Moves well. You can see the bobbin action spin. We'll take a look at the other side. It does come with a case. Other side is just as nice looking. The faceplate is some nice elaborate detail. And this is in working condition. The case also in good shape. Does not have a lock. We'll take a look at the underside of this machine. This machine's available to be shipped or for local pickup in the Baltimore area. And we'll look underneath here. It's clean. Again, it's not a Simanco Singer. It's this is a reproduction that they made in the early 70s when they got a hold of these Singer machines. NLT 4306170 is the mark here as far as the serial number. Take a look at the pictures for more close-up details. For auction is this hand crank Reproduction Singer sewing machine. Great addition to your collection, or a great thing to have when the power goes out. Thanks very much for looking. Case is in good condition.